So, whether or not this comes out as a good quality video, this little nut was on the end here, like that. Of course, it was all the way down, obviously. So I got this little thing, hold it down while I untightened it from the other side. Little Allen on the other side. So I'm gonna take it out for you. So I'm sliding this out, and you do need to remember this is spring loaded in here, and I do believe the springs in there are pretty tight, so yeah, that's okay. So I'll hold this, pull that, and then it comes out. Easy. When it came to loosening up the pedal, I think a lot of people take this out. This was in the center of that spring that's in there. I've got these. I got 3 of these. But I was trying it out with like just one of these in there. I tried stacking one on top of the other to use it. They don't really work so well. Felt pretty good. I'm more concerned about the durability of these though. So here's the normal spring in there. It's kind of tough. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell through the video, but that's pretty tough to pull. And here's it without that. It really moves like nothing. But like I said, I'm more concerned about the durability of these ones. Like, I don't think they'll last as long as this, obviously, but if you have more than one like I've got here, I mean, it probably won't even be a problem.